save our land.
Kingdom of God!
Very hot.
Hey,
Very hot.
you kidding, huh? So you white?
What did you think? Is it blue?
It's okay, man, you're my brother. I love you, man. And you say blood, man. Thank you. Okay, now, boys and girls, I want everybody to stand up on your feet and move with